Uplift Loans Reviews. Is Uplift legit or a scam? Uplift Loans Reviews. Is Uplift legit or a scam? Uplift Loans is an online lending platform that offers personal and payday loans with quick approvals. But is it reliable, or could it be a scam preying on vulnerable borrowers? Most people get this wrong by assuming all online lenders are risky. The surprising truth is that Uplift Loans is a registered company with a functioning website, clear contact information, and an application process that follows standard lending practices. Many borrowers report fast approvals and convenient access to funds, which can be helpful in emergencies. You won't believe what happens next. Some customers do report high interest rates, additional fees, or delayed responses to repayment issues. These complaints are common with many online lenders and aren't necessarily signs of fraud, but they do indicate the importance of reading all terms carefully before borrowing. To use Uplift Loans safely, make sure to check the interest rates, repayment terms, and any hidden fees. Only borrow what you can realistically repay and keep documentation of all communications with the lender. In conclusion, Uplift Loans appears to be a legitimate lender, but borrowers should approach responsibly. Understanding the terms, avoiding overborrowing, and monitoring repayments are key to using any online loan service safely and effectively.